Hey YouTube, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Dana.
And this is Darkmoon Metals. In today's video, we're going to be working on our forge, and this is day 3. We're going to be taking the duck pot, fire pot, and coal storage shelf and putting it all together. So we're going to get busy. Ready to do some grinding?
I think so. Alright, so the other day you guys saw me using the palm sander to get rid of some of the rust off of the various metal pieces that we're using to build our forge. Now, I didn't think it had enough power behind it, and to tell the truth, honestly, the disc is a little bit shot. So today I'm moving up to one of the big boy toys. I'm going to be using an angle grinder. I think it has a little bit more power, will help me get rid of some of the really nasty pock marks and everything like that.
While Dana's working on the grinding project and getting all the material cleaned up, I'm going to start laying out the hole for the fire pot and the coal shelf. So I'll make my measurements and cut out the form of the plasma pipe. Alright, the fire pot's welded onto the tray underneath. Now I'm going to come along and put a bead in on top. Alright YouTube, here's the basic layout of the forge. Got your fire pot, duck pot, coal storage shelf all welded together. The only thing that's left is to make some kind of a screen that goes on top of the duck pot. And I've already done that. Basically I made myself a little burner. It's going to fit right on top. And I'm going to keep it so it's removable just in case I have to replace it, because that's really going to be where the hottest part of the fire is. So all that's left to do now is light it. Well, YouTube, I hope you guys had as much fun watching these videos as we did making them. Having a forge is going to make us a lot more versatile and make a lot of things we do a little bit easier. So until our next video, you guys go out, have some fun, keep on watching YouTube, and don't forget to stop back once in a while. I'm Jeff.
I'm Dana.
It's Darkmoon Metals. We'll see you again soon.